To avoid future payment blocks on Zelle, it's important to follow certain practices that ensure your transactions go smoothly. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate this process effectively. Step 1. Use a trusted bank account. Ensure that you are using a bank account that is recognized and trusted by Zelle. Payments from accounts that are not linked properly can be flagged and blocked. Step 2. Verify recipient information. Always double-check the recipient's email address or phone number before sending money. Incorrect information can lead to payment failures or blocks. Step 3. Monitor transaction limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Avoid suspicious transactions. Refrain from sending money for transactions that seem suspicious or unusual. Zelle may block payments that appear to be fraudulent or risky. Step 5. Keep your accounts secure. Regularly update your passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your bank account. A secure account is less likely to face payment blocks due to suspicious activity. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Zelle transactions remain uninterrupted and secure.